let's break down the concept of audio ducking. Well, it's like a virtual sound engineer that adjusts music volume based on dialogue presence. This ensures your voice remains clear without manually adjusting each audio point, saving you time and effort. Timing is key. Applying audio ducking when you want to maintain a dynamic audio experience, especially in content with voiceovers and background music. Now, let's get practical. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and navigate to the Essential Sound panel under the Window menu. Select your dialogue and music tracks, assign dialogue to dialogue and music to music. Adjust the clip volumes to your liking. Ensure both are audible. Next, activate audio ducking on your music track. Select this dialogue icon to duck against the dialogue clip. Adjust the settings like sensitivity and duration to fine tune how your music fades in and out around dialogue. Then click Generate Keyframes to automate this process. No manual adjustments needed.